Gardening is more than just a hobby. It's a rewarding way to transform your outdoor space into a lush, beautiful oasis. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, the right tools can make all the difference. From preparing the soil to maintaining your plants, having the best gardening tools on hand ensures your yard flourishes throughout the seasons. Here's a guide to the ultimate gardening tools that will help you transform your yard into a garden paradise. The essential hand tools. Every gardener's toolkit should start with a few basic hand tools that are versatile and easy to use. These tools include trowel, a must-have for digging small holes, planting bulbs, and transferring soil. Look for one with a sturdy ergonomic handle and a strong rust-resistant blade. Hand pruners, also known as secateurs, these are essential for trimming plants, cutting flowers, and managing unruly branches. Invest in a quality pair with a comfortable grip and a sharp blade to make clean cuts. Garden fork, perfect for turning soil, loosening compacted earth, and mixing in compost. A well-made garden fork can also help with removing weeds and aerating the soil around your plants. Weeder. This tool helps you tackle pesky weeds with precision, allowing you to remove them without disturbing your plants. These hand tools are the foundation of any successful gardening project, enabling you to manage your garden with ease and efficiency. Soil preparation tools. Before you can plant anything, you need to prepare the soil. Healthy soil is the cornerstone of a thriving garden, and the right tools can make soil preparation a breeze. Spade. A good spade is crucial for digging, edging, and moving soil. It's essential for planting trees and shrubs, as well as for general garden maintenance. Rake. After digging, a rake helps level the soil and remove debris. It's also useful for spreading mulch or compost evenly across your garden beds. Hoe. This tool is great for breaking up clumps of soil, creating furrows for planting, and controlling weeds. Choose a hoe that's lightweight and easy to handle, especially if you have a large garden area. With these tools, you can create a well-prepared garden bed that provides the ideal environment for your plants to grow. Keeping your garden well watered is essential, especially during dry spells. The right watering tools can ensure that your plants receive the hydration they need without overwatering. A garden hose, for instance, is a durable, kink-resistant hose with an adjustable nozzle that allows you to water different areas of your garden with ease. Consider a hose with a retractable reel for easy storage. Then there's the watering can, which is ideal for smaller gardens or for watering delicate plants. It gives you control over the flow of water. For larger gardens, a sprinkler system can save time and ensure even watering. Look for one with adjustable settings to cater to different plant needs. These watering tools will help you maintain a vibrant, healthy garden all year round. A well-manicured lawn is often the centerpiece of any garden, and the right tools can help you keep it looking its best. Whether you're maintaining a small patch of grass or a sprawling lawn, here are the essential tools you'll need. First up, a quality lawnmower is essential for keeping your grass neat and evenly trimmed. Whether you choose a gas-powered, electric, or manual mower depends on your lawn size and personal preference, but always opt for one with adjustable cutting heights to suit different grass types. For areas of the lawn that are too rough or overgrown for a regular mower, a brush cutter is indispensable. It's powerful enough to tackle thick grass, weeds, and even small shrubs, ensuring that your entire lawn remains tidy. Hedge trimmers are perfect for shaping hedges and shrubs, giving your garden a clean, polished appearance. Electric or cordless models provide ease of use and mobility, allowing you to maintain sharp, even lines with minimal effort. These lawn care tools are vital for creating and maintaining a pristine lawn, which is often the crowning glory of any garden. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your garden looking its best. The following tools will help you prune, trim, and tidy up your yard with ease. Loppers are great for cutting thicker branches that are beyond the capacity of hand pruners. They provide the leverage needed to make clean cuts through woody stems. Hedge shears are essential for maintaining hedges and shrubs, allowing you to create neat, even lines. Opt for a pair with sharp, durable blades. A sturdy wheelbarrow is invaluable for transporting soil, mulch, plants, and tools around your garden. Choose one with a balanced design and durable construction for ease of use. Transforming your yard into a lush garden requires more than just a green thumb. It requires the right tools. With these essential gardening and lawn care tools at your disposal, you'll be well equipped to create and maintain a beautiful, thriving outdoor space. Whether you're planting new flowers, maintaining your lawn, or pruning trees, the right tools make all the difference in turning your gardening dreams into reality. So gear up and get ready to transform your yard into the ultimate garden sanctuary.